But anyway, guys, so this is the first fit. Oh, oh. It's Hey YouTube, what do? It's your girl Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another haul for you guys. So this haul, I have 3 outfits that you can kind of mix and match and play with, and then I have a pair of pants that I don't have anything to go with. But I'm hiding my top, y'all, because I don't want y'all to see it yet. But anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe because your girl is on the road to a come up. Okay, and if you guys are enjoying the videos, please do comment and let me know what you want to see from me next, y'all. I do have a update on my teeth haul. I have an update on my teeth video, but I have to edit it, y'all. And the goal is to drop a video every Monday. So if y'all haven't started to catch the drift, because it's just easy for me to drop on Mondays. So I appreciate y'all for watching. I see y'all watching the video. So thank you. Don't forget to like the video so they can start to get into a flow. Okay, period. Anyway, y'all, I got the first outfit on. And actually, I bought this shirt to go with another pair of pants. So I'm going to show it to you with these pants on. And then I'm going to show it to you with the pants that I actually bought it to go with. And I also bought some shoes, y'all. I bought 2 pairs of shoes from Temu, y'all, which, y'all, baby, it give. Okay, anyway, y'all, so this is the first outfit. Okay, look. Bam! So, y'all, this is the first outfit. Y'all, I can never button these shirts when I get them. Yeah, for some reason I just can never just button these on my own. It's really hard, so I gotta get some help with that. But anyway, guys, so this is the first fit. Oh. It's giving, guys. So I have this little button-up shirt, y'all, that is real soft. On my tops, I feel like all my tops is extra large, but if it's not, then I'm gonna come back and tell y'all. But all my tops are extra large, I believe. All my tops are large. All my bottoms are extra large because your girl is all wide. Okay, your girl is wide, so she need extra large. Okay. So anyway, guys, so this shirt I got on, everything in this haul came from Temu. So this is a large shirt, y'all. It's just a button-up shirt, real cute. I bought these pants from. I have 2 pairs of these pants. So I bought a pair from Amazon, and then I actually bought a pair from Temu so I could compare the quality. It's the exact same thing, just cheaper. Okay, so these pants came from Temu, y'all. It's just some orange pants. They got like little lines in them, y'all, and they fit so nice. You could wear them like up here, you could wear them like right here, y'all. And then I bought these little orange loafers from Temu, y'all, to go with this, y'all. I think these was like $10. And I actually have like 4 other colors in these, and I bought it from Amazon. Now, what I will say about the ones from Temu is that the stitching is kind of weird right here. But when I put my feet in it, it kind of just puckers out. But like without my foot in it, it's just kind of like, eh. The ones from Amazon don't do that. But y'all, for $10, I ain't mad at all, y'all. I'm not mad at all. So this is my first outfit from Temu, y'all. I really love these, y'all. And these are my work outfits. So if you haven't followed your girl on TikTok, it's going to be right there. Follow your girl on TikTok because I do post like outfits of the day, everyday outfits and stuff like that for the girls that want to know. Okay? Ain't nothing fancy to it. I literally just buy what I like and put it together. I'm not looking to keep up with the Joneses or anything like that. If I like it, I put it together. I do take some inspiration from for my street clothes from Naya Ashley. But my work clothes, y'all, I just literally just put the stuff together that I like. And it just be a hit every time. Okay. So, y'all, this is the first outfit. And I want y'all to rate my outfit. So, this is the first one, y'all. And these pants are like flare at the bottom. So it covers this part like right here, y'all. 10 out of 10. I'm rating my own self. I'm rating my own self, y'all. And I'm giving this a 10 out of 10, baby. Because, y'all, I could wear like a blue bag. I could wear a green bag. Y'all, it's gonna be not, look. Maybe not this green. If I could try to find this green. This is lime. This is like, I don't know what this is. But you could pick any color out of the shirt to kind of mesh together, but I wouldn't pick orange because I already have too much orange going on. But I would pick like this blue or this green or even like a white bag to go with this, y'all. But anyway, y'all, this is so, so cute, y'all. So I'm rating this outfit a 10 out of 10 because it's giving the girls what the girls need, okay? Next outfit. All right, y'all. So this is the same pants but a different top, y'all. So as you can see, like this, y'all, this is giving. Y'all, and I got mad bags back here that I could wear with this, y'all. Like, I could do this bag. I got a little pink bag over here. I don't know if y'all can see. I got an orange bag in that box, y'all. So, it's a lot of different things that you could do with this top, y'all. It's real, real cute. I got them same orange pants on, and I'm confirming that my tops are an extra large. So, depending on the reviews, because I always look at the reviews, and I only buy things that are like a 4 and higher, or 4.2. So in that range of ratings is how I purchase my clothes off of Temu. So, and I look at the reviews and the pictures and people's sizes to try to figure out like my size or whatever, whatever. So in this particular haul, all my tops are extra large, which I have one more top after this. All my tops are extra large, all my bottoms are extra large, okay? And this is the shoe that I have from Amazon, y'all. So this is the Amazon shoe. Y'all, as you can see, like, it's a different type of... Let me get the other shoe. Hold on. Back! So, this is the Temu shoe. And, oh, this could be a thumbnail. Okay. So, this is the Temu shoe, and this is the Amazon shoe. So, the Amazon shoe got a little umph to it, but also, can you see, like, the difference in, like, the stitching and quality, y'all? So, I mean, it's not that bad. The Amazon shoe have that on the bottom. The Temu shoe don't. I mean, it's going to be on my feet. Anybody looking that hard deserve to be slapped. If you looking at my feet that hard, you deserve to be slapped. Because, baby, either one of these shoes could go with this. Look. Bam. Bam. Either one of these shoes could go with this outfit. These shoes cost me like $25 to $30, and these cost me $10. I'm not mad at neither one. Okay? Because they're going to do what they're supposed to do. Okay? So anyway, y'all. So this is outfit number 2. Well, the top is different, but the bottom is the same. So that's what this is giving, y'all. And I love this top, y'all. I'm giving this top a 10 out of 10, y'all. The material is really, really good, y'all. This is some good material. Again, I can't button it, but it got these 2 buttons right here. Real cute. Button down. Real comfortable. Again, it's extra large. I still have room. And y'all, the shirts are kind of long. So it just depends on your style. You could tuck it in or wear it out if you want to do like that. Don't they do this, y'all? Ugh, that's kind of ugly. I guess if you could make it flat and you want to do it like this. Oh, that might give, y'all. That might give. But anyway, y'all. So this is the second outfit, y'all. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10, baby, because it's going to give, y'all. I'm telling you, Temu was not missing. And frankly, I'm getting tired of Temu disrespecting me because I'm spending too much money on them, okay? I'm going to need them to miss at some point. At some point, I'm going to need y'all to miss because, baby, the disrespect is costing me a lot of money. Like, it should be a crime to be this disrespectful. And the tops was like between like $10 and $12. On Amazon, I seen some similar stuff, and they were like $25, $30. I'm not going to spend that much money on work clothes, okay? That's just and I don't even go into the office that much, okay? Let's just keep it 100. But anyway, y'all, so this is giving Temu, and the pants was like $15 or something like that, y'all. So you could get a real cheap, cute outfit off of Temu. That's all I'm saying. Because who? Okay, y'all. I have to show y'all these pants. So I'm going to put that last shirt back on with these pants because I bought that shirt to go with these pants. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. I got that shirt back on, but I have on these pants. So I actually bought this shirt to go with these pants, y'all. So let me explain something to y'all. These pants, I don't know if y'all can tell, but they is sheer, baby. That's hand. That is hand. So I don't know if I would wear these to work. I would definitely probably throw on like a little cute tank and like a clear shoe with this to wear on the weekend, you know, doing something with the girls or out with that man, okay? Okay? But the pants is cute, y'all. And I got on black panties, so can y'all see, like, I don't know if y'all could tell, but look, this the tag. Y'all, that's the tag. Look, baby, that's hand. That's my hand on the tag. So they real sheer. However, they are real cute. They have like these little gold, silver like buttons on the front, and they pleated like the other ones. So, and I would, if I was to wear these pants to the office, it would be like a half day. Like I wouldn't wear it the full day, or I will wear the shirt out instead of tucked in. I like my shirts tucked in, but for these particular pants, I will wear a shirt tucked out. Or I will wear something that's long to cover like the rear end because they are so sheer. However, baby, they still give. Baby, they still give. Okay? And we could wear that with this orange shoe, y'all. Bam! Either way, y'all, is going to give. Okay? Temu is going to give. I got one more outfit, y'all. And I got a pair of pants to show y'all. So I'm getting ready to show y'all the pants. And then I'm going to show y'all the outfit. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so don't look at this top because this didn't come from Temu, okay? But the pants did. So these are the pants I was telling y'all about. So these like some regular black jean pants. They are extra large. But y'all, they is really, really tight. So I'm probably going to give these away to somebody. I mean, I don't know if y'all, they fit your girl. If I wanted to wear these one time and not be able to wash them, I would wear them. However, and they are cute, y'all. They are skinny leg, real skinny at the leg, okay? And the material is good. I'm actually going to reorder these in a size bigger. But these are like some plain black jeans. Yeah, my dog going crazy because she hear commotion outside. Please ignore her. She's crazy. But anyway, so these are some plain black jeans, y'all, from Temu. They cute, but they really hugging on the girl. And your girl want to be able to wear these again. So, hold on. Okay, y'all. So, I'm back with my final outfit. And, y'all, I don't have no cardigan on under this because I want to get one that's this burgundy color. And I don't have one that's this color. But, obviously, if I'm going to wear this to work, I'm going to put something under it because, baby, this is bare skin. Okay, period. Anyway, however, y'all, when I tell you this is my favorite outfit out of the whole haul because I just love this color scheme. Like this burgundy with the tan with the brown, it give y'all. It definitely gives y'all. And I love it. I got these pants here. So this is an extra large, y'all. You got plenty of room in this. And then I have these pants on, y'all. These are extra large from Temu. Now you could put your fupa in these, or you could let it hang out a little bit. Okay? It is totally up to you. Okay? However, I like mine 50-50. So, and I seen a model, she had like this piece up like that. Baby, I'm putting mine down. I don't like that. And she was built like a Barbie, okay? So, y'all, this is this outfit. Really, really cute. I actually purchased some leggings in this color because I bought some shoes in this color. So, I'm getting ready to show y'all the shoes that I purchased. But anyway, y'all, this is this outfit. Love it. 10 out of 10, y'all. It's giving. And when I wear this into the outfit, into the office, baby, I'm like, oh, yeah, it's your girl, Shay. Okay, y'all. Anyway, let me show y'all the shoes. I'm going to be right back, y'all. And this got 3 buttons on it, by the way, too. And this is really good material, okay? Really, y'all, this is really thick sweater-like material. And this is an extra large. I could have got away with a large, but I'm not sweating it because, you know, you got to wash your stuff. But anyway, let me show y'all these shoes. Hold on. All right, y'all. So these shoes came in this plain white box. I got a size 9, which is what I wear. I wear a size 9. I purchased a size 9. I can fit them. Okay. So this is what they look like, y'all. They are so cute, y'all. Look, it looks really sturdy. Yeah, and I love this shoe because it's like this knit-like material. And I was looking for something like this because I have a look coming for these, okay? So, y'all, baby, these shoes is look. Don't play with her, don't play with her, don't play with her, okay? Temu is giving. Y'all, and these shoes was like $20, I think. And I have a pair of these shoes that I got off of Amazon for like $30, $40. So you do save some money when you shopping on Temu. And y'all, the quality is just as good as the ones I got from Amazon, y'all, if not better. This is really, really thick. And you can roll this down, y'all. You can roll it down. Cute. Anyway, y'all, I ain't got no sponsorship with Temu, but if Temu wants to see this video and they want to sponsor me, okay, Chatty Shay. Okay? Chatty Shay. Email me. Okay? Anyway, y'all, I hope y'all like this haul. Your girl is tired and out of breath because when you changing your clothes, you get tired. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go drink me a vitamin water because I'm parched, first of all. And I'm about to close out this video. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend what your girl is doing on this channel. Until next time, bye.